Lenovo has made a splash at CES 2025 with the launch of its revolutionary Rollable ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 laptop. This innovative device features a flexible OLED display that can physically extend from 14 inches to 16.7 inches, giving users unprecedented versatility. Key features: Rollable OLED Display. The standout feature of the ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 is its flexible OLED panel. This allows the display to extend vertically, providing additional screen real estate for tasks like browsing or coding. High-performance specs. Under the hood, the laptop is equipped with Intel's latest Core Ultra 7 series processors, along with up to 1 TB of SSD storage and 32 GB of RAM. Limited connectivity. Due to its sleek design, the ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 is limited to 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and a headphone jack. Durability. Lenovo has rated the display for 20,000 extension and retraction cycles, ensuring its longevity. The ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 represents a major leap forward in laptop design, offering a unique blend of portability and productivity. However, its premium price and niche appeal suggest it will be aimed primarily at early adopters and professionals who require a highly specialized tool. In conclusion, Lenovo's ThinkBook Plus Gen 6 Rollable is a bold and ambitious product that challenges traditional notions of laptop design. While its high price may limit mass-market appeal, it certainly shows the potential of flexible display technology and points to a future where laptops will be more adaptable and versatile than ever before.